Hello friends, welcome to Tech R.T.G. Here I am uploading my first video. I want your support, so please subscribe this channel. In this channel you will find gaming, PC apps, Android apps, etc. So let's move on. And I am again telling you, please subscribe this channel. This is my first video and I want subscribers. You need to like this video if you like. In this video we are gonna download different Autodesk softwares on PC. Autodesk softwares are standing on the market now. We need a website to download the files. That website is getintopc.com. I have given link. This site don't work sometime, so you just need to search get into PC. So let's go to a browser. I'm using Chrome here. Okay, where is Chrome? Yeah, wait. Yeah, it's the and see I'm searching for getintopc.com. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, here it is. Okay, see, this is the home of that get into PC site, and you could see a search option there. And I'm searching Photoshop. So here, okay, the second is on the search bar. You need to search for the application you want. If it is not proper, that you didn't type it proper, then the result will not come. Okay, then we need to click the download option. I will show you. There are something like survey, but you don't need to complete anything like that. I will show you here. Okay, I am at the home page and Photoshop, and click on that go icon. Yeah, okay, here it is. So I'm zooming out. Yeah, see, that's the latest version. You could see that is just uploaded 2 weeks ago. That's the CC 2080 v 19.1 into 64. That 64 is 64 bit. Okay, see, 2018 Lightroom, everything is there, and you can see there are 26 pages from the beginning of Photoshop, that is I think 2005 to this stage 2018. Okay, click on that 2018 version I just did, and you could see, scroll down, there's the features of the Photoshop 2018, and there's the requirements for your computer to support that. And you could see how to install the software and download. You could click just in how to install the software to know how to download. I'm showing it. Okay, download. I'm clicking on download. You will found a window like this, and it is loading. Wait for it. The page will automatically refresh and you will get a page like this. Click here to proceed, and you will see step 1 of 3. It will load and it will become step 2 of 3. Yes, that is. And now step 3 of 3. Yeah, it's done. And there will be a pop-up saying the download has been started. You could see it. Wait for it. Yeah, it started loading and the download has been started. See, download has been started. I have already downloaded this file. Okay, now I will open it. And now how to install this software. To install it, you need to see that video first. Yeah, it's taking time. Yeah, here it is. See, they are asking you to go to that website. Okay, It's loading. So okay, leave it. I will show you. Okay, after downloading, after the download will be completed and you need to set the download location. You need to know the download location. It will be like something .rar, not something the name, that is cc 2018 or any file that you download. Don't use your disk C, because it will be uh, the performance will be a little less when you use local disk C. So I put desktop. You could see that file. I'm clicking on extract files. I have already done it, and you could see Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. I download 2015. I don't like 2018. So see, click on that installer. If you click, as usual, they will ask for permissions, etc. And you could click on Adobe CCC. I got that application there, and it is working. It's not a fake video. Okay, I'm refreshing and I'm opening. In some computers it won't open. If it don't, go to properties and click on run as administrator, then it will work. It's coming. It will take some time. My computer has got a less RAM, so it will take some time. Wait for it. Yeah, here it is. Now you know how to use file, new project, like that. See, it's not a fake thing. It is working. You could see every toolbars on the right side, left side. Photoshop is a great app for editing your pics. You could get ghost effect, etc. You get a great profile pic. And see, Adobe apps need a license. When you download it to get into PC, that I have shown, there won't be any need of product key like that. Okay, show you in this same website you could download every Adobe apps. So see, I'm just searching for 3dsmax. That's the 3D software to design maps, house. Yes, there is 3dsmax, and go and see, there is it. You know what is V-Ray. If you know what is 3dsmax, then you know V-Ray. See, got 33 results. And next is AutoCAD. Too many civil students need that. Downloading it through the original website will cost too many time. And of course, I prefer you to download through Opera, because it's so fast comparing to Chrome. I personally suggest that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe this video and let me know your suggestions through the comment option. So thank you. Have a nice day.